Welcome to our updated guide on how to view system notifications on Instagram using your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. Instagram is a popular social media platform where you can connect with friends, discover new content, and stay updated on notifications. 2. In the Instagram app, locate and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile where you can access your account details and settings. 3. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens the menu where you can find various options and settings within the Instagram app. 4. From the menu options that appear, tap on Notifications. This will direct you to the Notifications section where you can view system notifications including likes, comments, mentions, and other activities related to your account. By following these steps, opening Instagram, tapping your profile picture, accessing the menu with the 3 horizontal lines, and selecting Notifications, you can easily stay informed and manage system notifications on your Instagram account. Checking your notifications regularly helps you stay updated on interactions and activities related to your account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in viewing system notifications on Instagram effortlessly. Enjoy staying connected and engaged with your Instagram notifications.